GBP/USD this week has finally get outside of this range area that has been created since we can round it from since December last year. So the price is jumping between these two price levels, and we can see that the price has made a breakout here on Monday, where the price has took all the way below this demand zone and then closed it here, and the next candle did not close back inside, which means this bearish breakout has been confirmed as the valid one. But for now we can see the rest of the 3 days the price has returned back up, and it has some kind of a small problems going down even more, where this bearish breakout has been pointing. Now on the weekly time frame we can see how this looks. This looks like a bullish pin bar that has been formed right here on this area, which is a support level for the price. Now this is some kind of bullish signal that is pointing that the price will turn back up and continue to rise in value because of this great demand zone and the support level. On the weekly time frame we can see that the lower side, which was here 1.259, has not been broken, and also this lower side was not broken in a way that the price is closed the candle body. So everything is still open here, and then we can see that the monthly time frame looks a little bearish, but we can say that we have 3 more weeks until we see how this month will end. It is hardly to decide and also make a conclusion how this month will end, because it is hard to predict how this will behave because of this small candles body. But that is, we need to go to the weekly and also daily time frame to see how they are behaving and where the price could go. But based on the monthly analysis, if we take a look a little bit closer, the price has reached this resistance level and then bouncing back down, and the price has closed right here, which is a little bit above this great resistance level with this candle, but the next candle has returned back down. So now we can see that the price is trying to reach lower levels, and the first support level is this one, 1.254 on the monthly time frame, which means the month should not close below this one. If it closes, it will mean that the price will continue to fall down and try to reach this area, which is the start of this demand zone. If we go to the weekly time frame with this bullish pin bar that has been formed on the support level, which is suggesting that the price will continue to rise up, this means that the price could rise in value because of this bearish candle that has been formed in the previous week, and it has closed below this range area. We can see it here below 1.267. This was suggesting that the price will continue to fall down in value. But because of this bullish pin bar that has been formed on the market, the price is suggesting it will continue to rise up. So to confirm this one, which is on the weekly time frame suggesting that the price will rise in value, we need to find the same information on the daily time frame, and that is because we have this bearish breakout this week that has been validated with the next candle not returning back up inside this range area. This means that the price was expected to fall down in value and reach this one, which is the start of this demand zone. But the price continued to rise up and did not close back inside this area, back inside 1.263 price level, but it has stopped just here at this resistance level. So this means there is a still problem, the selling pressure from above and the buyer's pressure that is pushing from the bottom side to the up. So this means when the price closes on the Monday, if it closes above 1.263, this will mean it will confirm this weekly time frame that is suggesting that the price will rise in value, and it will also cancel this bearish breakout to the downside, which will mean that the price will try to rise in value and reach the first level where the price could reach is this one here, which is 1.27 price level. Now we can see that this week has not still closed. We have still a few minutes until this week closes, but as it looks, the price will stay where it is currently. So for now, as it looks, we need to wait Monday how it will close, and it will suggest where the price will go. If the price doesn't close above and the price moves sideways or moves down, I will watch it each day and I will share it inside the trading community, the target, what happens on the market, and you can also see the Telegram group I have created. The link will be in the description. So feel free to join and check it. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.